Inhale. I will lead with the right leg. Right leg higher, right heel higher, sorry. Right heel higher. And now bring your right arm down. Right arm down. Lift your right leg higher. And your left hand, bring it over the right. Your left shoulder, your right shoulder, they're aligned. Try to bring them in the alignment. Look at the tip of the fingers. Your region is at the tip of the fingers. It's a very nice, another variation of the aeroplane pose. Now, what you do here, you can hold and concentrate and focus on your belly. Your belly, your solar plexus, your navel is a place of hara. Hara is an energy located below 2 angulam, right below your navel. Now, bring your left arm on the ground and exhale. Here you go, just a little variation here. Inhale up, higher, and exhale. Now with the left leg, we will lead with the left leg, okay? So here what we are going to do is we are going to practice our left leg aeroplane variation. So let's do it. Inhale. And bring your left leg. Exhale. Palm facing down. Toes are active. Heel is lift higher. Use and engage the muscles all the way from your abdominal area. Now, bring your left arm in front of you and look up at your right arm. Look at the tip of the fingers and see if you can bring your right arm and your left arm in one line. Align it if your body allows you. Few more breaths here. Your leg is active. Both legs are active. Toes are active. Look up and release. Take a variation here. Inhale and exhale. So now this is called it as an aeroplane pose. I hope you will practice this variation along with the aeroplane pose, where you will use the core muscles as well as your lower leg muscles, your hamstring muscles and your quad muscles. They all are going to get used along with the side muscles. Okay, so let's practice this for you, building a nice strength, a sturdiness in your body, the stamina in your body, and a lot of strong, sturdy legs. Create your strong, sturdy legs. Okay, I hope this is helpful. This is Dr.Aruna Patki, Doctor of Ayurvedic Medicine, live from the United States of America. It's evening 6 p.m. here, and this is end of the day. Namaste.